need to go for a walk. You think? I don't know.
What?
We hear you, Trixie. We hear you. Trixie, what's up? What you doing? Oh, I don't need no stinking toy to do it. That growl help? What are you doing? What are you doing right now? Watch, let's see if she does it again. Trixie, Trixie, what are you doing? What are you doing?
No. Not the stitches.
What are you doing? Trixie, don't let her lick it. Ew. Trixie.
Stop. Tricks. No.